Welcome back to this tutorial series on working with the True32 website template. This video tutorial will be about adding or editing images on our team page. Like with some of the other video tutorials we worked on, you can get to any page by either coming here to Pages and then picking the page. In this case, we're looking for our team page and clicking here on the BBM Builder, or we can just go to the team page. As long as we're logged in, as long as you see this bar at the top that says you're logged in, you can go to your team page and then go to the BBM Builder right there in the bar across the top. And again, we start getting our blocks. You can see how the blocks are here to be edited, and so you would just go to the wrench, open up any of those items, and then go to your, so you got multiple tabs here for all the different things you can do. So here in this text call out, they've set it to center and typed in the title that's showing under the picture. You can see there it says founder and CEO. And then in the style, they've left everything blank, so it's all defaults. But then there's the image, and so we're telling it the image type is a photo, but our options are none or an icon. And then we have an image for that, and then we're saying that we want the image above the heading. And then we come to the link. If you wanted to provide a link, say that you wanted somebody to be able to click on one of these images and it take them somewhere else, maybe to a website or something, or a specific page on the website, you could do that and add that link here and it would go to it. You could also add a call to action for, I want to call it, or send a form to this guy and come in here and say it's a link or a button, and then it would actually take them to wherever you wanted to do that. And then on advanced, you have your padding and spacing and all of that stuff. So basically the image is where you're wanting to work, and say it's a photo, and then if you wanted to remove this or add another one, you would come in here and choose it, just like we've chosen pictures for everything else. And pretty well covers this. All these text areas could be edited just by going to the wrench for that, and then just typing in here, taking out what's here and typing what you want in there. So that's how you do this team page, and really it's all made up of either images or a little bit of text. So that's it for this video on adding or editing images on our team page. Next we'll look at adding or editing testimonials on our About Us page. Thanks for watching.